guys, Ayushi this side, and this is the day 8 of mastering DaVinci Resolve. And in this video, I will show you how to apply speed ramp correctly in DaVinci Resolve, along with a few tricks to make them look really professional. So let's get started. Once you'll get inside DaVinci Resolve and drag and drop your video, which is perfect for speed ramping, right click on the clip and go to retime controls. When you will activate, you will see the blue arrow appearing in the clip. That means now we can start working. You will see some small blue arrows appear on the screen. That means we can start working with speed changes. So open the keyframe, click on it, and a menu will pop up with all the parameters you can animate. The one we are interested is in the retime speed. Now we are going to start adjusting the speed in different parts of the video. First, we will choose the exact point in the video where we want to change the speed. Place the playhead right on that frame. Click on the small black arrow and add speed point. You will see the point has been added on the clip and a frame will also appear in the retime speed. Track in the keyframe panel. Now we are going to make this part of the video plays faster. Then place the playhead right there and add another speed. We are going to make this part of the video play faster. Then place the playhead right there and add another speed point. To speed up this section, click the little black arrow and change the speed to 800% and do the same thing afterwards. To make the transition more smoother and more natural, we need to create speed ramps. Now, to do that, go back to the keyframes menu and open the keyframe curves. As you can see, speed jump is way too harsh. To make them more smoother, highlight all your keyframes and click on ease in and ease out. And if you want to make it more smoother, move the handles and stretch the curves. You can adjust the ramp however you like. As you can see, it looks much better now. Now adding the blur effect. Place a cut where you want the blur effect to come. Then again cut. Do as same as to the second clip. Go to the effects menu and search for zoom blur. Add the zoom blur in the second clip where the speed ramp has been activated. Select the zoom blur, go to the inspector, decrease the zoom amount as per your need, change the blur type to stylized, do the second clip as same as you have done the first clip. So this is the results. So if you like this video and it was little helpful for you all, then please like, share and subscribe.